In this video, we are going to be discussing definition of WordPress as a CMS. What is WordPress? It is a content management system, and a content management system can be defined as a software application or a set of related programs that enable users to create, manage, and organize digital content, typically for websites. WordPress, however, goes beyond the basic functionalities of a CMS by providing a user-friendly interface, a robust architecture, and a vast ecosystem of themes and plugins. That is what makes WordPress stand out. You have free access to themes and plugins, though there are some premium themes and plugins, but you have vast majority of the themes and plugins that are free on WordPress, and you can design, you can create, you can manage, you can organize any digital content for it. So that is what a WordPress is. And now the purpose of WordPress as a CMS. We have so many purposes for WordPress as a CMS, but we're just going to discuss few. One of them, which are content creation and management. Then we have the user-friendly and interface purpose. Then the customization and design, extensibility with plugins, media management, user roles and permissions, search engine optimization, which we all know as SEO, responsive design, community, and support. So we are going to be taking all these purposes one after the other. So let's discuss content creation and management. Content creation and management. What we mean by this is WordPress has what we call dynamic pages and posts. They are not static, though there are some that are static, but we can make it dynamic. So WordPress allows users to create and manage both static pages like about us or contact us. As time goes on, we will understand what we meant by this, and dynamic posts such as the blog articles. So the blog articles that are dynamic is it can be arranged maybe according to from new to old or from old to new, or you can arrange it based on category or tags. So you can arrange them dynamically, not just static. So it is what you want to reflect in the front page that you select, and the thing will reflect. The intuitive editor simplifies the process of adding and editing content. That is one of the major purpose of a WordPress CMS. Again, there is this user-friendly interface on WordPress. You have a very straightforward dashboard where everything is highlighted, from dashboard to users to pages to posts to appearance to plugins to tools to settings. Just name them, you see them there. Then you have the screen options that you can choose what to display at the back end. Then you can arrange your content. You have the media. So that dashboard is the WordPress dashboard provides a centralized and user-friendly interface for managing all aspects of a website. Users can navigate menus, access settings, and create content without needing extensive technical knowledge. So it is very easy to use. So far you can read, you should be able to understand what is displayed at the back end dashboard. That is what this purpose is trying to show us. Then we have the customization and design purpose. For example, the themes. WordPress offers a wide range of themes and that defined the visual appearance of a website. Users can easily switch between themes to change the look and feel of their site without affecting the content. Unlike when you are coding, when you are writing your codes, like all the HTML scripts, your JavaScript, your PHP, your jQuery, all those things, the moment you want to change them, you have to write every single line of code for it to reflect. But in WordPress, your content will remain intact even when you are changing the theme. It won't affect your content. So you now have to just choose how you want to display your content again with the new theme, maybe with the widgets or whatever you want to do. That is another purpose of using WordPress as a content management system. Extensibility with plugins. Plugins are another purpose of using WordPress as a content management system, because it extends the functionality of your website. WordPress is just for maybe basic websites, for static websites, but with the help of plugins, you can extend the functionality to whatever you want. Just imagine it, and there is going to be a plugin that can do it. So users can enhance the functionality of their websites by installing plugins. These are additional software components that add features such as e-commerce, SEO optimization, contact forms, and more without requiring coding skills. Just like I told you, you don't need a coding skill to use a WordPress CMS. All you need to do is just know how to read, then you should be able to do one or two things, because WordPress is just like your normal Facebook and X, formerly Twitter, where you just compose whatever you want to compose and post. Facebook will do the necessary things to display them how it should be displayed at the front end. So that is what the plugins can do for you. Then the next one is media management. In WordPress, like when you are coding, when you want to write your own line of codes, it is a very hectic and Herculean task to display your media on your website, because you discover that you need to upload one, then you get the link, then you show how to display it with codes, all those things. But in WordPress, media management is so easy. So like the media library, you have the media library, and WordPress simplifies the process of managing media files, including images, videos, and audio. Users can upload, organize, and embed media seamlessly into their content without even understanding any line of code. Your own is just to put it where it is supposed to be, and WordPress will help you display it accordingly. The next one is user roles and permission. In WordPress, the access control is made easy, unlike just like the normal coding, as in, just like we told you, WordPress is a no-code platform. You don't need to understand any code before you can use it. So, but in the coding platform, access control is to do access control. At times, you need maybe all these third-party codes. You need integration. You need all those things. But in WordPress, you don't need to integrate anything. It is built in. The access control is built in. It allows administrators to assign different roles and permissions to users, defining who can create, who can edit, who can publish or manage specific content. This helps in collaborative website management. So in WordPress access control, we have the admin, we have the editor, we have the author, we have the subscribers, and some functionality. Maybe when you install some plugins, you see customer, you see instructor, you see vendor, all those things. So that is one of the purpose of using WordPress as a CMS. Then we have the search engine optimization purpose, which we all know as SEO. As time goes on, we will understand all these things. It is a gradual thing. Some things we sound as if they are strange now if you are new to web development, but as time goes on, at the end of this whole course, you will understand everything fully. That is why I would suggest you just watch slowly and understand before you proceed to the next lesson, the next topic. Just make sure you understand what you are being told now, because this aspect is the theoretical aspect. We have theoretical aspects, we have the practical aspects where we will demonstrate whatever we are discussing now. We will demonstrate it, you will see it. So WordPress encourages SEO friendly structure. WordPress is designed with SEO principles in mind. It generates clean and semantic code, and with the help of SEO plugins, users can optimize their content for search engines. When we get to SEO, you understand what we are saying now, but just have it at the back of your mind that SEO is what makes your website visible in search engine. We have the Google search, we have the Bing, we have the Yahoo, we have so many search engines. So as time goes on, you will understand all those things. So but WordPress makes everything easy, that you don't need to stress yourself. What you just need to do is install a plugin and it will do this for you, for your website to be available in search engines. Then we'll have the responsive design. Gone are the days when we don't have mobile phones, when web design is just for the computer, for the PCs. But now it is mobile first, because more than 80% of all the websites in the whole world are being viewed from mobile now, not even from the tab or maybe from the laptop. So whatever website you are going to build these days, you have to consider the mobile users, those that are going to view your website from a mobile phone. So WordPress offer this, as in it comes with their design. Their design is mobile friendly. So that is why from this you can read, with the increasing importance of mobile devices, WordPress themes are designed to be responsive, ensuring that websites look and function well on various screen sizes. So we have the widescreen, which is the laptop, we have the tab, then we have the mobile. So WordPress has all these in mind, and you don't have a problem if you are using WordPress for your CMS. It will take care of that. Then we have community and support. WordPress started in 2006 to be precise. So, and it is an open source CMS. By open source, we mean people can contribute to the development. So you can just write your own code and integrate it to the to WordPress API, and you make it available for people to use. So that is why when you have any problem with WordPress, you just go to their community and support. As in, the WordPress has a large and active community of developers, designers, and users. This community provides support, resources, and vast repository of themes and plugins. So whatever problem you are having when you go to WordPress community, you can ask or you can search. Maybe somebody gone through the same problem or is having the same issue. And if not, if you ask, you will see people that are ready to help. They will answer you. So that is one of the things that made WordPress outstanding among other CMS. So with this, with the few purposes we've seen now, we have community and support, we have responsive design, we have search engine and optimization, we have user roles and permissions, we have media management, we have extensibility with plugins, we have customization and design, we have user-friendly interface, we have content creation and management. I think we can define WordPress and know the purposes for which WordPress as a CMS can be used. So see you in the next video.